Why is everyone migrating to DuckDB? Fast and lightweight, this embedded analytical database lets data enthusiasts get their ducks in a row. If you want to add DuckDB to your data architecture, using Estuary's MotherDuck destination connector is a great option. Estuary lets you build data pipelines in minutes, combining a variety of source and destination connectors to get your data where you want it to go. One common use case is migrating data from an OLTP, or Online Transaction Processing Database, to an OLAP, Online Analytical Processing Database. This lets you perform analytical queries more efficiently, without impacting your production application. While there are a number of analytics database options, the open-source DuckDB is notable for several reasons. DuckDB focuses on embedded in-process operation. This means that DuckDB runs within a host process, similar to SQLite. DuckDB reduces query overhead by implementing a columnar-vectorized query execution engine. This makes it much faster than a write-optimized format when executing intensive queries, such as large table aggregations or joins. DuckDB is portable, with a small no-dependency footprint, while providing extensions to support additional data types and file formats, such as geospatial data. Great so far, but this is the age of cloud computing. If you implement DuckDB in your production workflow, do you really want to manage your own instance? Or would you rather go with a serverless cloud offering? That's where MotherDuck comes in. A cloud service for DuckDB, MotherDuck also allows for collaboration with team members and secure secret storage. And data pipeline platforms like Estuary can integrate directly with MotherDuck-hosted databases. Actually, let's take a look at the steps to do that now. Following the OLTP to OLAP use case, MotherDuck is a materialization, or destination connector in Estuary. You'll need some source data set up first. Once you do, you can go to the Destinations tab in the Estuary dashboard and create a new materialization. Search for MotherDuck and select it. Add a name and then look over the endpoint configuration. The MotherDuck connector requires a MotherDuck account. Less obviously, it also requires Amazon Web Services access. Estuary uses an Amazon S3 bucket to stage data loads, acting as temporary file storage. Estuary will also need credentials to access this bucket. In AWS, you can retrieve these credentials by creating an access key on a root or IAM user. Make sure an IAM, or Identity and Access Management user, has permissions to read and write to S3 buckets. Create an access key in the Security Credentials tab and copy the generated key ID and secret key credentials to your Estuary dashboard. You'll also need the name of an S3 bucket and its region. Optionally include a prefix if you want to store your temporary files under a specific path in your bucket. Then we can finally get to the main event, MotherDuck. In your MotherDuck dashboard, select Settings from the Account drop-down, then Access Tokens. Create an access token and add it to the connector setup. You will also need to add your AWS secret key to MotherDuck, so MotherDuck can read from your S3 bucket. You can do so by running a SQL statement with your AWS information, or through the UI. Then choose an existing database to materialize into, or add a new one in MotherDuck. Add its name to Estuary. Decide whether you want to use soft or hard deletes in your destination. Then select the source data you want to replicate by linking a capture or adding individual collections. Click Next, then Save and Publish. Estuary will start streaming your source data to MotherDuck. Explore your data in MotherDuck's notebooks using DuckDB's query syntax, and start collaborating with your team. Make like a duck and swim downstream with your data using Estuary. Try out Estuary and MotherDuck for free and check out our catalog to see what other connections you can make.